see one, yeah. There's another one behind it. You see it? It'll come right over us. Here he comes. There he comes, Max. Whoa. There he goes. Can you see him land there? Look behind. Is he touching down? That way. No, behind us, Max. That way. You can see him land, can't you? You see him?
I can't.
Oh. Here comes the next one. See the landing lights now?
Not quite.
He's coming fast.
Huh? I say the blinking!
Yeah. Is he a big one?
I don't see that. Yeah, motorcycles?
Motorcycles. Has he got his wheels down, Max?
Hey, I see him now. See him?
Yeah, he's coming.
Right there?
You'll hear the roar soon.
I look that way.
Oh, don't stand on the fishing reel, Max. Max, you got your foot on this fishing reel there.
I can't hear it roar.
It's not a real big one. I think it's a propeller one.
It's getting so big.
Closer and closer.
Closer, closer, closer. Ah, it is a jet plane.
You can't find him on the viewfinder. There he is.
It is a really big one. There he is.
There he goes.
Wait for another one.
We can wait for a real big one to come.